What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be fishing Rough Canyon. I have not been here in a while. It's probably my favorite spot to fish for bluegill. I have not fished here for bass, but I'm sure there's some pretty good bass here. I'm gonna be chasing after some drum today. Usually around this time they start to come out, so I think we might be able to land one. Last time we hooked into one, so I'm really gonna try and catch one today and grind it out. But for sure we're gonna catch some bluegill. I have some live bait in the back of my car, some live worms that we used in the last video. So let's see if we can catch some drum. Let's get to it. Alright everyone, so I've made it to the dock. It is completely calm out here, and there's a little bit of wind, but it's not too bad compared to the past 2 days. It was literally blowing like 40-mile-an-hour winds here at the lake. I really wish I could have brought my kayak out here, but I wasn't able to. So I'm just gonna fish this dock and see if I can catch some drum. Hopefully we're able to catch one. These fish might be a little deeper because it's been getting really cold in the mornings, and it's still a little chilly right now, but I still think we can make it happen. See if we can catch some drum. I really think we might be able to land one. I was gonna bring my fish finder to try and locate these fish, but I forgot it. So we might run into a few bluegill here and there, but I really want to catch a drum. It's the main goal for today. See if we can make that happen. Got one. What is that? It's a bluegill. No, that's not what we're after. I'll take it though. Fish is a fish. I really thought there was a drum down there. Here we go, everybody. First bluegill of the day. Took a little bit, but we made it happen. Back in the water he goes. We're after that drum. I kind of figured out how they want to eat this worm. I think drum, if I'm not mistaken, are bottom feeders. So they eat whatever's on the bottom. So I think I'm just gonna let my bait drop down to the bottom, let it sit, see if we can catch one. Got one. What is that? This might be a drum. It's pretty big. Oh, another bluegill. It's a big bluegill. Get in here, buddy. At least I'm figuring out the bluegill. I feel like they've been caught before because it's kind of hard to get them to commit. Not bad though, I'll take it all day. These things are huge. Better than the creek bluegill for sure. There we go. Second bluegill of the day, back in the water. I didn't mean to throw him there, but he's getting his spikes in my hand. Not bad. Keep fishing. Guys, let me know down in the comments below if y'all fish for drum, what y'all use, how y'all catch them. Because I've never caught a drum before. I've hooked into one, but I've never actually landed one. That's what I'm trying to do today. This is the only method I know of that. Well, I hooked into one last time doing this, so hoping that I hook into another one this time. Got him. Yeah, a bluegill. I'll take him though. Another big bluegill. Gotta love it. He tore up that worm. He really wanted it. Hook came right out. Another bluegill right there. Back in the water he goes. Not bad. He tore up my worm though, which kind of sucks. That might be a drum. Got him. Whatever it is. Oh, it's just a big bluegill. The way he was taking it though, I thought it was for sure a drum. I mean, I'll take these all day long, but I just want one drum today. There we go, another bluegill. Fourth bluegill of the day, I think. Buddy. Alright. There you go. Back in the water he goes. Not bad. I gotta find this drum. That's a fish. Take it, bud. Please be a drum. Got him. Bluegill. No! Been fishing for like 30 minutes without a fish. Oh, he swallowed that thing. Alright everybody, so I got the hook out. I'm gonna go ahead and release this fish. There he goes, back in the water. I came up on this structure. I don't know what this used to be. I'm not too sure what it was. But there's like stairs and there's concrete. And there's a bunch of like bricks and stuff. So I have no idea what this thing used to be. But I've been fishing along the edge for bluegill, drum, trying to catch a drum, and I can't seem to make it happen. Literally the last time I came to the spot at the dock, I hooked into a drum and I was catching a ton of bluegill, and today it just seems that the bite is just really slow. But there might be some more bluegill at the end of this little structured thing. I don't know what you call it. Hopefully there's a drum there. There might be, who knows. I'm gonna keep fishing. I might fish for some bass here also. There's pretty good structure. See if we can catch a drum. I'm really trying to make it happen. I'm gonna grind it out for another hour or two and see if we can make it happen. Probably some more bluegill right here at the end of this structure. There's like this like little square thing, cement here at the bottom. I'm assuming this is where the bluegill like to hang out. Got another one. That's a tiny bluegill. Smallest one of the day for sure. This little guy is tiny. Smallest bluegill I think I've ever caught. I might have caught a little smaller one, But that's definitely up there in the smallest bluegill that I ever caught. Back in the water he goes. No wonder I couldn't catch him. He's so small. All right, so there's some like stairs right here. Oh, I see a bass like busting right next to me. There's like these stairs right here. This piece of structure. There might be some bluegill at the end of these stairs. This is a pretty cool little spot. If I was a bluegill, I would hang out here. He has it. Got another one. Another little bluegill. Buddy, chill. Again, he inhaled it. I think I'm gonna fish for some topwater. I'm seeing a lot of commotion. A lot of fish chasing bait. I'm gonna time some topwater and see if I can catch a bass. Might have a pretty good chance of catching a bass from topwater. They're going at it everywhere, busting on bait. There you go, everybody. What is that? 7th bluegill of the day right there. Somewhere around there. I always lose track. I don't know. Not bad. I'm gonna time some topwater and see if I can catch a bass. I'm also gonna fish for bluegill at the same time that I'm fishing for bass. I'm gonna time some topwater and see if we can make something happen. Got one. Got another fish, everyone. He barely ate it too. What was that, 8th bluegill of the day? Buddy, right on the concrete. I was literally trying to set up my bass rod and do all this other stuff, my camera. And I started getting bit and I barely had time to press the record button. Just letting it sit on the bottom and he took it. There's probably more down there. Got another one. Man, these bluegill are so small and they're so dark. This fish is like probably the darkest, one of the darkest bluegill I've ever seen. And look at this. I don't know if the camera picks that up. Hey buddy, chill. Chill. Oh, no. Buddy. I'm trying to show you off to the camera. Look at that, everyone. I don't know if y'all can see that. That bluegill is like super dark. That's crazy. Let him back in the water. He's kind of traumatized. All right, you swam off just fine. Not bad. All right, everybody, that's going to end today's video. Not a bad day at all. I caught a ton of bluegill today, probably 8 or 9 in total. Not bad. I tried my absolute best to catch a drum, but I couldn't make it happen. Like I said, leave a comment down below if y'all fish for drum, what y'all use, where y'all fish for them, and anything y'all know about them, because I really want to try and catch a drum. So comment that down below. But if you enjoyed today's video, drop a like on the video, comment, and subscribe for future content just like this. And I'll catch y'all next time on JJ Fishes.